What if you could conquer any roadside catastrophe without ever relying on expensive help? Today, we are unveiling 15 of the most vital, battle-tested emergency gadgets engineered to bring uncompromising safety and total self-reliance straight to your vehicle. From rapid glass-breaking escape tools to smart blowout monitors and powerhouse jump starters, this is the definitive survival gear you cannot afford to drive without. You can find direct links to every item in the description below. So let's bulletproof your ride. Starting strong with an essential safety device, this car escape tool. Engineered with an integrated guarded steel blade, it cleanly slices through jammed seatbelt webbing in a single pull. The spring-loaded tungsten carbide punch delivers pinpoint kinetic force to shatter tempered vehicle side glass with a simple press, requiring no brute strength. Its lightweight, ultra-compact body clips directly to your keychain or sun visor for immediate access. It provides reliable, instant physical extrication during critical vehicle entrapment. Next one is a powerhouse roadside essential. This portable lithium jump starter. Delivering high-peak cranking amps, this compact unit fires up dead gas and diesel engines in seconds without requiring another vehicle. It features heavy-duty, spark-proof smart clamps with built-in reverse polarity and overcurrent protection to prevent electrical short circuits. The integrated lithium battery also operates as a fast-charging USB power bank for mobile devices, complete with a multi-mode LED emergency flashlight, strobe, and SOS beacon for nighttime breakdowns. Keeping your wheels properly pressurized with this portable tire inflator. Driven by a high-output electric motor, this compact air compressor delivers rapid airflow up to 150 pounds per square inch. The digital LCD screen displays real-time tire pressure readings with exact accuracy. It features smart auto shutoff functionality that halts operation the moment your preset target PSI is reached, eliminating overinflation risks. Built with internal heat dissipation vents, multiple nozzle adapters, and an LED work light, it handles vehicle tires effortlessly. After that, upgrading your tire changing setup with this electric hydraulic car jack. Powered directly by your car's 12-volt auxiliary port, its hydraulic motor lifts sedans, trucks, and SUVs weighing up to 5 tons in under 2 minutes. It includes an integrated pressure valve and self-locking mechanism to prevent sudden drops if power disconnects. The accompanying high-torque electric impact wrench removes stubborn lug nuts in seconds, while built-in cross-group support heads and dual LED lights provide secure, stable roadside servicing. For complete visual surveillance on the road, look at this 3-channel night vision dash camera. It simultaneously records high-resolution video across 3 channels, capturing the front road, vehicle cabin, and rear traffic in ultra-crisp detail. Equipped with infrared cabin LEDs and advanced low-light optical sensors, it captures sharp license plates and faces even in total darkness. Its built-in G-sensor automatically locks collision footage, while 24-hour buffered parking surveillance and supercapacitor power ensure heat-resistant, reliable loop recording. Before a sudden tire failure catches you off guard, install this wireless tire pressure monitoring system. It features a compact dashboard unit powered by high-efficiency solar cells and USB backup charging. 4 external waterproof sensors mount directly onto your tire stems, broadcasting real-time pressure and temperature metrics simultaneously. Programmed with high-precision threshold alarms, it sounds immediate audio and visual warnings for slow leaks, rapid air loss, or overheating to prevent dangerous blowouts on the highway. After unexpected roadside breakdowns happen, stay prepared with this roadside survival emergency kit. Packed in a durable, reflective carry bag, this kit provides heavy-duty booster cables, a reinforced towing strap, a mechanical tire gauge, and an adjustable wrench. It also features a high-visibility reflective safety vest alongside an organized medical kit filled with adhesive bandages, sterile gauze, and antiseptic wipes. Designed for complete convenience, it consolidates vital mechanical tools and first aid supplies into a single organized trunk pack. And hey, remember, direct links to every gadget mentioned so far are waiting for you in the description below. Make sure to check them out. Moving on, light up your workspace using this rechargeable LED flashlight. Delivering an ultra-bright, high-lumen beam, it includes multiple output modes from wide floodlight to emergency strobe. The powerful magnetic tail cap attaches firmly to steel car panels for hands-free vehicle maintenance. Built from anodized aircraft aluminum, it houses a tungsten glass breaker, a guarded seatbelt cutter, and a high-capacity rechargeable battery that functions as an emergency USB power bank for your mobile phone. To recover vehicles trapped in deep mud or snow, rely on this heavy-duty tow strap. Woven from high-tenacity polyester webbing, it provides a massive braking strength, rated up to 30,000 pounds, with high elasticity to absorb sudden recovery shocks. The reinforced looped ends feature abrasion-resistant protective sleeves and forged alloy steel safety hooks with spring-loaded latches to prevent accidental detachment. Weatherproof and resistant to UV degradation, it delivers heavy-duty vehicle extraction whenever you get stuck. Next, we have this compact fire extinguisher. Specifically designed for automotive use, it is rated for Class B and C blazes involving flammable liquids, gasoline, oil, and electrical engine wiring. The push-button discharge mechanism delivers a non-toxic dry chemical agent that smothers flames instantly without leaving corrosive residues on sensitive engine components. Packaged with a secure quick-release mounting bracket, it fits neatly into vehicle trunks or under seats for fast emergency access. Now, to stop car thieves in their tracks, equip this anti-theft steering wheel lock. Forged from heat-treated hardened steel, its reinforced shaft resists sawing, prying, and freon freezing attacks. The adjustable hook design locks firmly between your steering wheel rim and brake pedal, physically immobilizing the vehicle's control systems. Equipped with a pick-proof cylinder and protective rubberized coating to prevent interior scratches, its bold visual profile deters break-ins before thieves even touch your car door. Adding an invisible layer of defense, check out this vibration security alarm. Featuring high-precision triaxial acceleration sensors, it detects sudden vibrations, impacts, or forced handle manipulation instantly. The built-in 113 decibel siren emits a piercing sound to scare off potential intruders and alert bystanders immediately. Offering 7 adjustable sensitivity levels and a compact IP55 waterproof casing, it mounts discreetly anywhere via adhesive tape or zip ties, paired with a wireless remote functioning up to 66 feet away. And for treating sudden roadside injuries on the spot, you need this compact first aid kit. Enclosed in a rugged, water-resistant EVA case, it is packed with essential hospital-grade medical supplies organized in clear interior compartments. Inside, you will find trauma shears, sterile gauze pads, adhesive bandages, antiseptic wipes, burn dressings, and an emergency thermal blanket to retain core body heat. Its compact dimensions allow easy storage in your glove box or under passenger seats for quick access. And eliminating dangerous visual blind zones during lane changes, install these blind spot convex mirrors. Crafted with high-definition curved optical glass, these frameless auxiliary mirrors maximize your field of vision to reveal hidden vehicles in adjacent lanes. The 360-degree rotatable and 30-degree tilt-adjustable mounting base allows for personalized angle positioning. Engineered with IP65 waterproof housing and heavy-duty automotive adhesive, they stick securely to side mirrors, significantly enhancing safety during highway mergers, reversing, and tight parallel parking. And finally, last but not least, this reflective warning triangle kit. Built with high-intensity retro-reflective panels and a bright fluorescent inner core, it delivers 360-degree visibility during daytime breakdowns and low-light highway emergencies. The weighted metal folding base with anti-slip rubber feet keeps the warning units upright against highway wind turbulence from passing vehicles. Complete with an ultra-bright neon reflective safety vest, this kit folds compactly into a hard storage box for quick roadside deployment. And there you have it, 15 powerhouse emergency gadgets engineered to keep you protected, prepared, and totally self-reliant on the road. All direct links to every single item covered today are organized for you in the description box below. We want to hear from you. Which gadget are you tossing into your trunk first, or which one has already saved you in a pinch? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more essential automotive breakdowns, and stay safe out there until the next one.